Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be looking at the mode, and the mode of a distribution is defined as the observation with the highest frequency. It occurs most frequently, that is, it is the most common observation occurring. In everyday life, we say that the mode of a distribution is the most popular or the most fashionable item. If the distribution has a single mode, two modes, or three modes, then it is said to be unimodal, bimodal, or trimodal, respectively. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. All right. Okay, guys. So let's just look at this example here. And I think that's the perfect example. Right, let's just look at this example. Um, we have a set of numbers, and we're seeing that 1 occurs once. Let's just write that there. 1 occurs once, 2 occurs once, 3 occurs once, 4 occurs 1, 2, 3 times, 5 occurs once, 6 occurs once, and 7 occurs once and 2 times. So clearly the mode in this case would be unimodal. And the reason why it's unimodal is because it's just one mode, and the mode would actually be 4. And the reason why it's 4 is because 4 occurs the most. It's simply the most common, all right? It is the most common. All right, so it's really not a difficult thing, the mode. It's actually, I think this is the easiest one in terms of measures of central tendency. And let's look at some other examples with raw data, okay? All right, guys, so let's do this example of finding the mode with raw data, okay? And in this case, we're simply just gonna count it. Like we're going to count how many we can pick up the most often, okay? So I'm seeing 125. Well, let's read the question from the beginning. It says these are the modes of basic wages in the following distributions. So I'm seeing 125, then I'm seeing two 125s, then I'm seeing one 175, and I'm seeing two 175s, and I'm seeing three 175s, and I see one 195. I see one 205 and one 210. So the unimodal mode is equal to 175. Okay, in this case it's a unimodal mode because it's only one mode and the mode is 175. All right, guys. So let's look at the second one. It says the same thing. We need to find the mode of this distribution, and I see one 155. I see another 155 here. Then I see one 209. I'm not seeing another 209. I see one 200. I see one 160, two 160s actually, and then I see one 185 and one 195. So in this case, we have a bimodal mode, and the bimodal mode is equal to 155 and 160. All right, guys. Okay, so let's look at the last one here. I see one 160, and that's it. And I see one 125, and then I see two 125s. I see one 140 and two 140s. I see one 159 and two 159s. I see one 175 and one 180. So in this case, I have a mode, trimodal mode, which is equal to 140, 125, and 159. These are the three modes. Okay, guys? Alright, so this is not too bad. I think this is really easy. Just look for the one that occurs the most, or the two numbers, or the three numbers that occur the most. And it's just a breeze. Alright, guys? So let's look at finding the mode with on group data. Okay. All right, guys. So we're looking at the mode from frequency distribution with on group data. And the following table shows the number of children per family in a family of students in a form file. Okay. So essentially, the number of children that a family has, the frequency for one child is 2, the frequency for two children are 4, the frequency for 3 children are 7, and so on and so forth. And we're supposed to find the mode. All right, guys. So this is actually really, really simple, guys. Um, in order to find out the frequency, right? So we know the number of children for 1 is 1 and 1, and for 2 it's 4. For 2 it's the frequency is 4, so it's actually 2, 2, 2, and 2. And the next one would be 7 times for 3, and so on. So clearly the mode is 11. The one with the biggest case, or the biggest frequency that happens the most, which is what the mode is 11. So the mode for this question is equal to 11. And it's really that simple, guys. I think the mode is really the simplest one. And we're going to move on now, guys. We're going to move on and look at some frequency curves. Okay. That's it. And I'll see you in the next lecture. And remember to do your best, and God will do the rest.